Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just a little bit earlier, I made this sprocket a completely different way. And before I deleted it, I thought, it'd make a pretty good looking 3D sprocket. So when I do a 3D with the extrude tool, I'm going to make this a lighter gray. And then I'm going to get the extrude tool, which is underneath your drop flyout. And I'm going to click on it, and then I can actually go to the middle somewhere. You can't really see what you're doing, so we're going to take the right click and put lines on it. And that's pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and break the extrude group apart. Now it's still probably in a group. We'll see here in just, well, yes, it is. So what we can do is go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. And by doing that, well, something happened that it didn't like. You know what? I think I did that when I moved it. I didn't have all of it. So let's go to Object, Group, and Ungroup All. And then you could, because we've ungrouped it all, each one of these is a different factor. And we could take, let's zoom in here a little bit. And let's take the Smart Fill tool on a little bit different, darker gray. And let's fill in the tips. And fill in the inside tips. Now these side ones, we could do a little bit different. So what we could do on the side ones is take that one right there, and we could go get the interactive fill tool and kind of go downwardly and put a little, I missed it. See, I'd get a little shadow, and you can adjust that. Now, it won't work perfectly, but we can take that and grab the attribute eyedropper and take a sample of that. And it's going to change because the rotation is not going to look as good. So you can actually go all the way around. So the rotation, but you could very easily take each one of these, go back to the interactive fill tool, and see just kind of change the rotation and put the dart. Well, that did what I wanted to do, but I wanted like that. And then just do that all the way around. That's pretty cool. Let's see what it looks like with a black box around it. Go up to Object, Order, back a page. It looks pretty cool. And you could spend 10 more minutes in making it perfect. Like where these are white, because they're really not going the right direction. If we get the interactive fill tool, and I'll tell you what, best way to do it is to take that part, then get the interactive fill tool. Well, that's what I wanted, but I didn't want that. So you could change this and make this not so black and just make it look like it's going down that part of the gear or sprocket. Anyway, well, like right here, this would be the best thing to do. Take the interactive fill tool and put darkness. You don't have to go all the way to the black each time. But see, that way it looks like it's actually going down in the hole. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.